Hey, how's it going? Thanks for joining me today. Today I just wanted to talk about carrying your camera gear around. Like, obviously when you're traveling that can be a little hectic and a little crazy and you're worried about protecting this giant investment you've made and stuff, right? You know, usually you'll go with Pelican cases or like travel backpacks. Like I have one from Peak Design that's got camera cubes in it or whatever. But it's not always ideal. And if you're going in a Jeep, you know, you might want a Jeep. And you know, if you're going in like a vehicle, you might want something that goes with a system that's already a part of your vehicle. And I know for a lot of people, they're in the front runner system. And they have front runner roof racks and drawers and that kind of thing. If you wanted to stay in that system and carry your camera gear around with you, I've got the perfect solution. It's totally happenstance, but it fits so well. It really seems like they were made for each other, even though they weren't. The new Front Runner Wolfpack Pros that are waterproof, they actually perfectly fit Peak Design's camera cubes in them. So you can take a Peak Design large camera cube and fit it in it, and it actually perfectly fits just below the seal of the lip, and it's like a 1-to-1 measurement width, depth, heights for the Front Runner Pro thing. So you can have padded camera gear in a waterproof box that you can throw up on your Jeep, your Defender, you know, whatever you have that you're overlanding with that you need to take camera equipment with. And honestly, the price is really good. It's like 50 bucks for this thing. And then whatever I think it's $80 or $100 for the Peak Design camera cubes. But if you already have them, like I did, that's not a cost that you had to do. So you can just pack it up and go. And you've got a nice, cheap, waterproof solution for your cameras. All right. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you found this informative, and I hope to see you out there. Bye.